to find whether two rational numbers are equal or equivalent. In this case, we have two methods to find whether two rational numbers are equal or equivalent. The first one is the HCF method, that is the highest common factor method. The second one is the cross product method. I hope you all remember the highest common factor method. I'm sure you do. So let's try to find out whether 12 by 15 and 8 by 10, whether they are equivalent or not. Since we are following the HCF method, the first step towards solving this is find the HCF of 12 and 15. 12 and 15. So what's the HCF of 12 and 15? It is 3. What about the HCF of 8 and 10? So the second step is to find the HCF of 8 and 10. So what's the HCF of 8 and 10? It is 2. Right? So now what we're going to do is we have to find the standard form of 12 by 15. The numerator and the denominator should be divided by the highest common factor of 12 and 15, that is 3. So here we are. So 12 divided by 3, you get a 4. 15 divided by 3, you get a 5. Now let's take the second rational number, 8 by 10. We found out that the HCF of 8 and 10 is 2, thus dividing 8 by 2 and the denominator 10 by 2. How much do we get? 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So did you see that here in the first rational number the simplified form is 4 by 5. Out here in the second rational number also the simplified form is 4 by 5. Thus we say that 12 by 15 is equivalent or equal to 8 by 10. Let me reiterate once again. In order to find whether two rational numbers are equal or equivalent, we have taken this example of 12 by 15 and 8 by 10. We need to first find the HCF of 12 and 15, which is 3, and the HCF of 8 and 10, which is 2. Now divide the HCF with 12 and 15 and you get 4 by 5, and the HCF of 8 and 10 is 2. Divide the numerator and the denominator with 2, thus we're getting 4 by 5. So we say that 12 by 15 is equivalent to 8 by 10. Now this is the HCF method. What about the cross product method? I must tell you, this is pretty easy. Let's take two fractions or two rational numbers, a by b, and other rational number c by d. Since it says cross product method, so we're just crossing it here, a into d and b into c. So basically a into d should be equal to c into d. Let's take an example for this. Let's find out whether 1 by 4 and 4 by 16, whether they are equivalent rational numbers. So the cross product. So 1 into 16, we get 16. Here 4 into 4 also we get a 16. So in both ways we get 16. Thus we say that 1 by 4 is equivalent to 4 by 16. Let me take another example for finding out whether two rational numbers are equivalent or not. Let's take the example of negative 2 by 3 is it equivalent to negative 8 by 12? Let's take the cross product method. That is, let's find whether negative 2 into negative 12, what does it give us? And 3 into negative 8, what does it give us? So we have negative 2 into 12, we get negative 24. Am I right? Now how about this one? 3 into negative 8 gives us negative 24. In both ways, we get negative 24. Thus, we can conclude that negative 2 by 3 is equal or equivalent to negative 8 by 12. I hope you know how to find whether two rational numbers are equal or equivalent with the help of either of these methods, that is the HCF method or the cross product method. Thank you so much. Well, I'm sure you enjoyed and understood this session. To learn the next concept, click on the video here. You can also subscribe to my channel here and continue to enjoy learning